ang reaksyon ng sambayanan. Hindi lamang pagdadalamhati, but may galit. Where do you think is it coming from?
I think, number one, from a lot of fake speculation came out right away. Di ba, may nagsabi, may weights, may bakal sa paa. May nagsabi...
Unang lumabas yun.
Which was completely...
Untrue.
Untrue. Na may pasa-pasa dahil hazing and all that, which is completely untrue. So, that's one. And then it was exacerbated by the silence from our school side, I think.
Okay, mas lumala yun.
Yes. Parang
dahil wala tayong naririnig na boses.
Parang yun yung naging...
Okay.
Nagkaroon tuloy ng impression na baka may tinatago, which I don't think, wala naman except hindi lang maganda talaga yung handling.
Ang kwento ay pumunta ang team po ng Ateneo sa Dipakulaw, Aurora para itong somebody described it as a military-style boot camp, okay, o team building. Kanina you started to talk about it, yung pagtakbo sa sand. Kailangan ba talaga ito? Ginagawa ba talaga ito?
Yes. There are, in the entire training pedagogy, if you want to call it, there is times where you have to go to really hard training, and then there's a cycle where you have to rest a little bit in preparation for the actual tournament. So there are different means. Water training is not new. I remember my first head coaching job in the PBA was with Pure Foods Corporation in 1993. We were already doing a lot of pool work.
You do this?
Yes.
Okay.
We were doing it in Intercon, in different pools. There were time, nagpunta pa kami sa swimming pool sa Club Filipino. My recent team sa SEA Games in Cambodia, we had a day that we were off. We sent all the players, and I even posted it on social media. The players were in the pool. So the water training is part of physical fitness and therapy. If you're coming off an injury, kesa sa tumakbo ka on a hard surface, it jars your joints. Maraming tumatakbo sa water. So
yung swimming pool, nakikita natin yan, kahit tennis players po, I would see them train dahil pampalakas yata ng tuhod.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero yung dagat, ginagawa ba talaga yun? Have you done that?
Sa akin, we've done a lot of activities in beach areas, but sa akin, my teams, we just limit them to running sa buhangin, not really going into the water. There was time when I was a coach of Coca-Cola, we went to Boracay and we did cliff diving. We did cliff diving with the players, and even my daughter was with us. So, marami kaming ginagawa. The training for basketball that's called cross-training. So it's not only basketball because you're able to develop different muscles, plus it breaks the monotony. And I'm sure you know monotony is one of the biggest killers of motivation, right? So you want to vary your program and vary your methodologies. So, my teams, whitewater rafting na kami sa Cagayan de Oro, nag-camping na kami overnight in a desert in Dubai, in Qatar. I've brought my teams for a week in an isolated, deserted castle in Italy. So, marami kaming ibang ginagawa. Hindi lang within the basketball court. Because that's in the process, you build the camaraderie, the team building, you build synergy. So it's always a combination of doing those activities. We call that you create shared memories. That's how teams are built. Well, kasi hindi tinuturon teamwork sa atin, di ba? Wala namang subject sa eskwela na team building, teamwork. But that is I'm a licensed and professional team development, team builder. So there are different methodologies where you do outdoor stuff, and always combined with indoor work, which are the difficult conversations, which are a lot of the other activities that do not require you to go outdoors.
Okay. So, kasi marami ang usap-usapan noon, katulad halimbawa na narinig natin yung, I saw that interview with the mother of Rene, na hindi niya, at ako rin personally, hindi ko maintindihan na parang, kailangan ba talaga yung training na yun? Wala namang kinalaman sa basketball. Now you're explaining it very clearly. Wala namang kinalaman. Hindi naman swimmer ang anak ko. Basketball player ito. So what you're trying to say, Chot, is these are ancillary ika nga activities
Yes.
to support the training
Correct.
of the boys.
And they were not swimming or you know, panglangoy. Kasi sa dami, hindi naman sila swimmer. But it was just that they were, the objective was to put them in knee-deep water to provide more resistance to the activity.
Pampalakas, ika
Yeah,
nga ng-
whatever, the calisthenics or the activity that they were doing.